Question number 5 from lesson 5 says, a car starts at rest. It accelerates 4 seconds to a speed of 20 meters per second, which it maintains for the next 8 seconds. You know what's weird about this question, Rachel? 2 times. You know what that tells me? I think there's 2 trips. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the distance traveled in the first trip, the distance traveled in the second trip, and then I think the total is going to be add them together. So I'm now going to list my data, making sure I ask first trip, first time, or second trip, second time value. From rest, definitely part of the first trip. And T is 4. VF is 20. That's enough to find D. Now, last year you had an equation that had VIT and VF and D in it. Here, this year, you'll need to find the acceleration first, and then use that to go D equals VIT plus a half AT squared. I have no idea what the answer is there. For the second trip, it says it maintains, that's, I think, a physics term for constant velocity. I think I can say that A is 0. And then there's one more thing I know, Malcolm. How fast were we going at the end of the first part of the trip? You know how fast we're going at the beginning of the second part of the trip? 20. And so I can go D equals VIT plus a half AT. Wait a minute, A was 0, and then D total, I'll call this D1, I'll call this D2, D total is going to be D1 plus D2. Okay? That's how I would do question number 5.